Hey guys, it is day 2 of the Decluttering My Life and My Journey to Minimalism series. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I will link the introduction video below. It's a really quick video just explaining why I got this inspiration, where I got it from, and what my goals are. So day 2 is all about clothing, and as you can see, I am starting with my kids' clothing. I have an 8-year-old and a 2-year-old, and I'm gonna start off going through all of their clothes. This is my master bedroom, but I brought all of their clothes into this room because there's a little bit more space, more floor space, and also my 2-year-old is napping right now, so I wanted to have a chance to get this done while she's napping. So I'm gonna start by going through all their clothes, putting away out of season clothes and outgrown clothes, and hopefully thinning out their clothes a lot, and hopefully that will warm me up to get going on my own clothes, which, to be honest, I don't have that many clothes, but I know that there's a lot of things that I need to get rid of. And I know it's probably going to be hard because yesterday was hard and yesterday was just purses and bags, and today is clothes, which is a little more sentimental. So let's start with the easy stuff, start with the kids' clothes, and work my way towards the more challenging stuff. Here we go. Is burning brush in his yard, and the smoke is like coming in the windows and irritating my sinuses and my eyes, so but that's okay. It smells really good. It's just irritating my eyes, you know that, like, it smells like fall, which I'm totally here for. But anyways, I finished organizing all of the girls' clothes. They're still out because Rosie's still napping, so I'll put them away when she wakes up. It is time to move on to my clothes. I'm not looking forward to it, if you couldn't tell. But I kind of am. I'm looking forward to it being done. So that's something. All right, so in our master bedroom, we actually have 3 closets like this. We have this one, we have that one over there, and then all the way on the other side of the room, we have this one, which has all of Mike's stuff in it. So all of my clothes are in this closet here, as well as a dresser that I will go through, but the majority of my clothes are in here. So let's pop her open. So you can see I actually put up all the purses that I wanted to keep that I'm not using right now, but I wanted to keep them. I put them up here for now. And then this up here is just a bunch of empty products. I'm such a beauty guru. I still save all my empty products, even though I don't think I'm gonna make beauty videos that often anymore. I'm probably not gonna film empties videos, but I figured when I get to the beauty personal care section of this declutter series, I will talk about those there. Anyways, can you tell I don't want to do this? All right, let's do it. So I am done with the closet. I'm getting rid of a good amount of stuff here. This is like a diaper box full of clothes. And I feel really good about it. It actually feels really light, like lightening to get rid of this stuff, because a lot of it is just stuff that I didn't love, you know? I didn't love it. It didn't fit me right. It was, like I said in yesterday's video, it was almost like a burden to me. Like it was affecting me in a negative way. If it doesn't fit me right, if it's not affecting me in a positive way, then it's affecting me in a negative way. So it feels good to put all that stuff in there. There was a couple things that were hard, like bridesmaids dresses, you know, stuff that have real sentimental value to me. But again, I know I'm not gonna ever wear them. If I ever want a dress like that, I can go out and buy one that fits my body the way it is now and that is exactly the way I want it. You know what I mean? It's just, it's not serving me to keep it around. I do have a few things that I am keeping for sentimental value that I imagine maybe would get passed down to my daughters someday. And then some I just have real sentimental value in, like this skirt I have had for, I'm pretty sure I bought it in high school, and I'm 33. So that's a long time ago, a long time that I've had this skirt, and I worn it through, I just remember wearing it like through college, through being pregnant, both times. I mean, this was like sweatpants to me. And it's from Wet Seal, which I don't even know if that store exists anymore. I think it does, but I don't know if it does. But yeah, this is like, I mean, it's all frayed at the end. It's just sentimental to me and I want to keep it. But I mean, I'm not doing that a lot. I'm just doing that with a few things. And then I have a couple of really good quality pieces here that I don't know, I'm not ready to get rid of. I want to keep, and I do have one box of clothes in the basement that I am keeping. I used to work at Express, and so I have a lot of clothes from there that are really good quality that I want to keep and maybe pass down to my daughters when they get old enough to wear my clothes and just see, you know, I think it'd be fun. Just one box though, not a lot, just one box. And I just have a dress here, and this shirt is another one that I've had since before I had Lila. Not quite high school, but I've had this shirt for a long time, and I got it secondhand. I don't even know where it's from, but I have a lot of memories with this, so I'm gonna hang on to it just for that sake, although I don't wear it anymore. That's just who I am. If I didn't do that, I feel like I wouldn't be being true to myself, if that makes sense. Like, I would be following rules just for the sake of following rules and not for the sake of being true to myself, which is why I'm doing this whole thing, to just be more myself, be able to be myself. I don't know. I'm not trying to make excuses. I hope that makes sense. I also do have over in that laundry basket, why is that so hard? There. Wow, that's really, okay, right there. These are clothes that I am on the fence about. So what Sadia says in her 30-day minimalism guide is that anything you're on the fence about, you should pack up for a few months and see if you miss them. I'm actually going to do the opposite. I'm going to force myself to wear them over the next week or two. I'm just going to get up in the morning and put them on, and if I have them on and I can't stand the way that they look, I don't want to wear them, then I'm going to put them in the donate box. And if I like the way they look, then I'll put them back in the closet, or I'll wear them and wash them and put them back in the closet. So that's what I'm going to do with the clothes, because I think that makes the most sense. If I'm wearing it and I'm like, this, I don't want to wear this, you know, or this doesn't look right, then I'll know then and there. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna go put these in the basement, and then I'm gonna move on to my dresser, and then I'm gonna be done. Almost done, almost done. Woohoo. Alright guys, I am done. I'm done with my clothes. I'm so happy. That took so much less time than the girls' clothes. The girls' clothes took me like over 2 hours, and this took me like less than 30 minutes. So obviously my kids have way more clothes than I do, which is totally fine. I'm okay with that. But yeah, I'm gonna be done with this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you again in the next challenge. But until then, I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.